Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to take a look at a Newton's law of gravitation question. So the question says a learner wants to calculate the distance between the Earth and the Moon, where the net gravitational force is 0. To achieve this, the learner placed a third mass m at point P as shown in the diagram below. The distance between the centers of the Earth and the Moon is r. So the question says use the law of gravitation to show that r and x are related by the following equation. So r squared minus 2rx plus 0,988x squared is equal to 0. So because they tell us that the net gravitational force is 0, it means that the force of attraction that the planet or the mass P experiences due to the Earth is going to equal the force of attraction that the same mass experiences due to the Moon. So we can then write that the force that the mass P experiences due to the Earth is going to equal the force that the same mass P experiences due to the Moon. So that's going to equal G, the mass of the Earth multiplied by the mass of the planet P divided by the distance between them squared. So the distance between the Earth and P is x. So that's going to be x squared. And that's equal to G, the mass of the Moon, times the mass of P divided by, and the distance between P and the Moon is going to be r minus x. So we're going to have r minus x all squared in the denominator. Now, G appears on both sides as well as the mass of P appears on both sides. So we can cancel them out. So that will cancel with that. Likewise, that will cancel with that. So that then leaves us with the mass of the Earth divided by x squared is equal to the mass of the Moon divided by r minus x, and that's all squared. Now, we do need to rearrange here. I'm going to take r minus x all squared and the mass of the Earth, and I'm going to switch them around. So r minus x all squared divided by x squared is equal to the mass of the Moon as given to us as 7,35 times 10 to the power 22 divided by the mass of the Earth, 5,97 times 10 to the power 24. Now we can calculate that, and we will need to simplify a bit. So here's our calculator. We've got 7,35 times 10 to the 22 divided by 5,97 times 10 to the 24. So that's equal to 0,0123. So r minus x all squared divided by x squared is equal to 0,0123. Now let's take the x over and expand the numerator. So that's a binomial. So it'll expand as r squared minus 2rx plus x squared. And that's equal to 0,0123 multiplied by x squared. So that's just going to be x squared. Now we want it in a form that it's equal to 0. So I will then take this over there. So I'll get r squared minus 2rx plus x squared minus 0,0123x squared. And now these two are like terms. And so I can simplify. So r squared minus 2rx. And then if I say 1 minus the answer, so that's going to give me 0,988. So plus 0,988 x squared is equal to 0. And so we've shown it. And that's it. Thanks guys for watching. If you found this useful, don't forget to leave a like, share this video with others, and subscribe. I will see you all in the next one.